let's find out how we can create our illustration mockup for packaging design, and then to use it in Photoshop to apply your design for the customer. So in order to start making the package which you can use to create your simple illustration mockup, it's better to use the perspective grid. Just select this tool in Illustrator and then try to set up the grid, which is help you to create the right position of all the walls of the package. And in this case, it's better just to make it easy. The options to apply the sides of the package. One more, it's better also to make it the package, which helps you to find the way how you can see the top of the package and also the sides of the package. So in this case, when you set all the sides of the perspective grid, now you're ready to start drawing your package. And in this way, better first of all to make the line to work with a navigative cube, and select your rectangle tool, select the edge which you would like to use for surface or from the cube which you would like to apply your rectangle, and start drawing your rectangle. So now it's activated the rectangle, which is goes by the blue net. And next, if you really need to apply another package, you also can use another grid net. And if it's a rectangle, for example, you have visually show that it's a rectangle, and also you have to draw the top of your package in order to show how your package would fold it. So just one more time. If you really need to work with the package, it's also better to make it the right position of your all layouts like this. And now package is ready. You can just switch off the grid. In this case, you have to select this tool and click here on the cross. Now your package is ready, and if you really want to show some other elements of the package, first of all, it's better to go to the stroke and make the roundness of your corner. It will make the smooth alignment of the all elements on your package. The second one, of course, you have to make the copy and make the reflection of your package using the properties of that tools, and make it a bit smaller. It will be another part of your package which will stand a bit far from your front package like this. And also it's better to draw some table, some plane, which will also help you to keep the right visuality of the package on your board. And now only what is better to make it, it's some kind of background. For example, it could be the background of the table, or you can make it bigger. Also, you can easily to make the lights is very tiny, and use the small part of recognition of apply to your package. If you really would like to make some extra color for your elements, you can easily again apply any colors of the carton or cardboard which you use for your package, in order just to make the easy way to apply any fill. You can use the color palette and apply the smallest part of your options, or you can easily just to click twice on the package and use here the lights on your package. Just make the differentiation between the package, but please be careful about that. It's better to keep it there in a white and then apply your elements to the package. So now our package is ready. If you wanted to put this package in a right order for background, it's also better to draw the white background for your top part, and again use the arrange to transfer this part into the back side. So now your package is ready. You also can use any other colors, just make easy to see how your package is provided on the background. You can use any colors if you like to apply, but better to keep the strong and the very official background for the package, because it will help you to provide the right combination of the elements. One more, if you would like to show the package in the by the lights, you also have to apply some shadow. So in this case I will use the pen tool. I will just draw the background, which helps me to provide some shadow. So in this case the shadow could be absolutely the same in each part. Here also, like this, you can easily to change some parts, just make ability to see how your package is going. So this is could be quite far, and also you have to select these parts, then select the shadow which you would like to use for that, and make maybe some without the stroke, make some blurring, for example. So you're going to effect and use here the blur, and here for example you can use the Gaussian blur like this. If it's okay, you can keep it, and now you just need to move it to the back. Now you have a shadow which also help you to keep your package standing on the side. One more, you can easily just to move this package, which is help you to keep the right elements on your background. You can rotate some parts, which is also help you to keep the elements exactly placed on the table. So now the package's background is ready, and you can easily to put your parts in Photoshop. So in this case it's better to use file, export as, and here choose the Photoshop position, save your file, for example template, of package mockup. You can use artboard, click export. It's better to use the maximum resolution, click OK. And now in Photoshop you can open your file, see your package, and just apply using the copy and paste from the Illustrator. So for example, if I have any elements apply for my package, for example the back side and the top side, so I will just use the elements like a rectangle, apply any color like this, for example, and also I will copy this part and make it the same things for my just let's see how it will be organized. Yeah, probably that will be better. Yeah, so for my package. So one more, maybe I will apply the edge, which is help me to keep the right combination of these elements. So like this, and just let me see. Okay, so now I have my pattern is frozen inside of the structure, and now let me see how I can organize this part. So that will be my whole package, and now I'm going just to use some rectangles for my elements, which is also help me to keep the right visuality of the elements. And now, for example, I will draw a rectangle which will keep exactly in the middle, and also the same part I will copy it here. Now that will copy 2 times, and first one I will select my rectangle and use Ctrl+7, and now the second part also Ctrl+7, and I have 2 elements. Oh, sorry, I need to freeze. So I will just copy in a buffer, then jump into the Photoshop again, paste here. Doesn't want to paste. Copy, paste. Yeah, like a smart object. Now I'm going to the layers, click twice on the object, and this is just right mouse button, convert into smart object. Now it's object which is exactly goes according to my elements which I would like to use. This is from the left side, so I add by my face or element. Now I just put my left top corner and start holding Control or Command for Mac. Just apply this part exactly according to the shape of my rectangle, like this. Click OK. Now it's better to apply the multiply for the package, which is help me to provide the natural of the elements on my package. And now I'm going again to select my another part, again copy, just paste in a Photoshop, again smart object, again right mouse button, convert into the smart object, and this is will be my second part. I use the same angle, again Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, and apply this part into my another options. In this case you will get exactly the right combination of the elements inside of the package, which is help the right connection between the elements. And again it's better to apply the multiply. And one more, because this is which is not exactly provided from the lights, I can easily select these layers and go to the image and adjustments, brightness and contrast. I can, for example, use a less brightness, which is help me to provide the visuality that this part of my package is not connected with the lights. So in this case you can easily to provide the right combination of the elements just to show how your package will look like on the after the folding. So this is everything what I would like to share with you, and I hope that this will help you to provide your digital mockup for the assignment.